Good afternoon from Worsborough. This is our renovation project that we've been doing. We've got a flat, self-contained flat upstairs and a salon and treatment rooms downstairs. We've more or less finished. All little finishing off bits are more or less done. I'm just waiting for a couple more little signs. And I'm just going to take you around and show you what we've done so far. So, this is the flat, so we've got to start upstairs, and you can have a look round. So, you've seen these bits before, but we've had it cleaned now, thanks Christine. She's made a fantastic job, it's spotless up here, so it's just ready for somebody to move straight in. All surfaces, gleaming, it's a lovely sunny day, and so we can see everything now, fantastic. So this is the kitchen of the flat. You can imagine yourself in here, telly on wall, little table there, chilling out, lovely view outside, next to us beer garden, pop round for a pint if you want. This is a little bedroom, again you've got a nice wooden floor, laminate type thing, big room, get your bed in here. If you can have that as your bedroom. Lovely bathroom. We've even put you some toilet rolls in. Feng shui, it needs to be down, don't want money leaking out of property. So you've got a nice shower, tiled floor, nice place for your towels to go in, stick your towels in there or whatever, you're showering and stuff. That's that bit. And this is front room bit. So you can get in here and you can either have it as another bedroom if you wanted, stick a big double bed in, or you can have it as get your sofa in. And have it as a room for watching your telly. So we go downstairs. Carpets come up really nice. We had that cleaned. We've got like a little hallway. Coat hanger. First thing you do when you get in, coat off. Bag off, man bag off or whatever, women's bag off, put them all there. It's a decent size hallway, and we've even got a please wipe your feet sign, dusty mat or whatever, dust mat. You can even put a bike in here, so if you're commuting on your bike, stick it in here. Not motorbike, but just push iron, get it in there. You could even put some hangers on there. So that's what we did there. We've got a sign to go up here which is going to say flat 1, no entry. So that's one of the things that you just need to get in there. I'll take you down to the bottom end. So this is long corridor, hallway. Can easily be cleaned because it's laminate all the way through. Cleaned out on a night. Now we've got a sign to go up here which is going to say treatment room, same as one that's on other treatment room. I'll show you that in a sec. So what we've got here is this has been adapted to make a treatment room. So you've got your sink, you've got your fan. We're going to get a chair in here. We've already got somebody signed up. I was going to take this on a Tuesdays and do Botox and things like that. It's a good job I don't need it, but you know, I'd have probably been a customer if I did. Not got many laugh lines. So what we've done here is we're going to get a thin chair for procedures, if that's what they said they wanted. They can put all the stuff in here. These units are going to be shared with salon. And what will happen is we've got a sign here. When there's treatment going on, it says treatment in progress. So you can put that up so people will know. They can close the door over. And we've got this, so the curtain goes over, And there you go. All private treatments can get done. Finished up. And they come back out. It's like one of them old hospital curtains. I think it's washable that as well. And we've got a spare one in drawer in case that gets overused. So out of nothing we've created that treatment room. Now this is what going to be utility. So staff can come in here, put the stuff in. We've got cupboards for them to use for storage from salon. And what I've done, because I'm such a nice landlord, I bought this 38 cup hot water dispenser so they can ferry cups of tea up and down for all your lovely customers. I've got a fridge coming, so it's a worktop fridge, so I can put the milk in, and then with glass fronts. It says Stella on, but you know, it's as good as out, isn't it? So you've got a lovely area here, thing for washing up here. You've got loads of cups in there and saucers, and that's out to back. No entry sign. So anybody that ends up wandering down here, they'll see that staff only, no entry sign. We've got one of them for cellar as well. Now this is treatment room number 1. So this is biggest treatment room. Got a lovely sign on here, and then same again, when there's treatment in progress, just turn sign, put sign on, shut door. These are lock on it, so they can lock door if they wanted. And we've got a nice treatment bench, bed, whatever it is. It goes at all different angles. Got a sink, cupboard for washing, ventilation down here, shape of a pacifier vent, a little table for all the stuff. They're arms to this in case they need them. Waiting chairs in case they need them. They might not need them, so we'll put them in other place if they wanted. I need to get a little curtain for up there so people can't see in. Your measurements is about 3 meters by 2.5. 3 meters by 2.5, and I'm assured it's as big, if not bigger than most treatment rooms in a lot of salons. We're just walking down here. We've got the salon itself. So we've had a few more additions since last video. I'll just show you what we've had put for toilet. So I got my stickers for toilet. Woman needing a piss and a bloke looking as if he wants one as well. And it says toilet, so there's no no puzzling, no yeah. So here we got, look, when somebody's in there, engaged and vacant, that just goes on door. Simple. We've just had some locks put on, a lock foot inside. If I tell you messing about that we've had to do for that, you won't believe me, but we even got toilet rolls on go, ready. Again, leaking money. Soaps, sink, and there's an extractor fan in there as well. We've got trays for cutters. Got these lovely chairs. People can sit in and have their hair cut. We've got waiting chairs. We've got a back washer, which is not straight. Back washer, all plumbed in. Just invested in a nice air dryer, and then 2 more cutting stations. And what we're going to do is, I've got a barber's chair coming. So one of these cutting chairs will be used for that. So put that over the other side. And I think that's going to be Barber's station. We've got like quite a few things coming. So we've got like a barber's chair and some shelving and things like that. So it's going to be a nice little shop for people to come in there and have their hair cut. So you're going to have 2 resident cutters, hopefully a barber, and then a woman cutter on one of the other stations. And then what we're going to do is we're going to rent out per day the other 2 chairs, and they're going to be to mobile hairdressers or mobile barbers who have problems, who want to use a salon environment. So obviously you can do stuff at their houses, but if you want to book this, get in touch, and you know, you can use these chairs and book them unless we get an offer. But there'll be at least one available most of the time, and spaces can be booked. You've all got your own little pigeonhole for any mail that comes. You've got treatment room 1, treatment room 2, neutral post. That'll probably be lists from Chinese and Indian and whatever, and they'll go straight in bin. Station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4 for cutting stations. Flat 1, landlords, if all comes for me, that goes in there. And I think that's about it. I'm waiting on a sign for door, salon sign for door. That should be in it next couple of days. Sign for flat. And another treatment room sign. So once they're here, one thing I'm going to show you, what cost me a fortune as well, is what they call it, stands. I don't know if I've showed you them. The footrests, that's it. So everything's matching. And probably get people to wear black, so it'll look even better. Always put things for coats. So we've got these for coats and bags and things like that. They can be put in. And I've got a till coming. I've got a coffee table. I don't know if I'm going to get that in. I think that might go in storage. Coffee table, till. Got a thing you want there. A desk, like a desk. Well, I don't know what they call it. Reception desk. I don't know where that's going to go, but that might go in storage. A few other things anyway, or telly. So I'm just looking where telly will go. So there's a telly to go in here if I decide to put it up. So yeah, that's a quick walk round of the salon. And if you want to rent one of the chairs, if you want to block out space, fetch one of your customers in if you're mobile, get in touch. My email is simon@alldrydampproofing.com. Let us know your requirements, and let's get ball rolling. If you're a barber or just an hairdresser, the first two cutters, so the barber and the hairdresser, they'll get any walk-in trade that comes in, and plus they bring their own. I think there's going to be a lot for barber, especially with there being a pub next door and a betting shop. You get a lot of walk-in trade. Hairdresser will probably have her own clients, and then she'll build up a steady. I know there's a lot of people wanting to come here, not wanting to go in town, so that would be ideal for somebody. So just get in touch, and we'll have a chat. We'll have a look at what your references are, things like that, your certificates. You need to be insured, and you'll be renting a chair. I'm paying all bills, everything. So all gas, electric will be paid. All you're paying for is your chair rent. So get in touch and I'll tell you how much it's going to be. So that's Damp Sam signing off. Damp hairdresser Sam, salon owner, and we're not in a hurry, but we could do a cutter in here. See you later.